is up, my loves, and welcome to or back to my channel. It's your girl Kirsty Renee here, back at it again with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be the new Victoria's Secret Elixir line review. I got all of them. I've seen a lot of people, like, they've just all been missing one fragrance. I'm like, there's 4 fragrances to this line. So I have the complete line here for you guys. There are a lot of people who do have the complete line, do not get me wrong. But I've seen a lot of people who have been missing at least one fragrance. But before we get into today's video, I just want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor. As you guys have seen in the past, I have worked with Dossier. I absolutely love Dossier. Their perfumes are so beautiful. And before you say, what is Dossier? Dossier is an online fragrance company who specializes in replicas or dupes of some of your favorite top designers like Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel Chance, you name it, they got it. And literally they smell identical, baby. Sometimes even better than the original brands. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys another new scent that I got from them. Here's their packaging. It comes in a nice box that says a Dossier on it. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markup. Today I got a chance to check out their Jo Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey, which is their fruity honey. So in each box you get this a cute little card that tells you all about your fragrance. And like I said, it has the name up top, which is fruity honey. The notes are top notes black currant, green leaves. The middle notes are honey, nectarine. Base notes are peach and vetiver. So if your scent arrives to you and you're not feeling it, you just don't like it, you can always return your scent for a full refund. A lot of their scents come with tester sprays just so that you don't have to, you know, waste their fragrances. But their fragrances come in this a beautiful cute little bottle, and like I said, it tells you all the notes and it tells you what fragrances it is. So like I said, this one is the fruity honey. It also comes with this cute little magnetic top, perfect for traveling. It can fit inside literally anywhere. Let me tell y'all, fruity honey is a very beautiful scent. It smells so good. It literally smells like fruity honey, a nice fruity, citrusy, beautiful grown woman. It just puts you in that mindset of a nice grown woman. This scent is perfect for like the spring and the summer times, but honestly, y'all already know me, I wear my scents year round. So yes, baby, definitely a attention grabber. You're definitely gonna smell really fruity and just super pretty. It's gonna exude your femininity. So if you would like to get your hands on Fruity Nectarine that was inspired by Jo Malone, do not hesitate to go ahead and click that description box and click on the link that will take you directly to their site. And also do not forget to use my coupon code so that you can get some money off of your order. And as always, thank you so much, Dossier, for sponsoring today's video. Now it is time for the moment we have all been waiting for. Let's get into this review, honey. I'm not gonna go in any particular order, but let's go ahead and start off with their Berry Elixir number 16. This one is vanilla bourbon, muddled berries, and sensational high. Now, baby, when I say this one smells so good, my daughter wanted to use it. It smells so good. Listen, y'all, when we were going down the stairs this morning, I could literally just smell her air just coming back because she was in front of me, I was behind her, and I could just smell it. It just smells so good. It's so fruity and so beautiful. It almost gives off perfume vibes. Like the scent of the fruits are just so amazing. Like, this ain't no Walmart fruits, baby. This more like fresh farmers markets type of fruit. It smells really good. Smells like really high quality perfume, y'all. It smells really good. And honestly, I really think that this one is going to be my favorite one, but we're going to keep on going. Like I said, it's really sweet, really berry like. You get a lot of berries, a lot of fruit. That is what you're going to get with this one. So if that's more your style, then I would highly recommend that you get this one. And I definitely give this one a 10. It smells so good, and I'm probably going to use up this whole bottle without a doubt. So the next one that we are going to try is their Fleur Elixir number 7, and this one is Scarlet Rose, Pink Pepper, and Budding Romance. The packaging, y'all, immaculate. The packaging is so beautiful on each and every one of these fragrances. It just takes it from your standard body spray to give you a more luxurious look. So this one is a pretty rose type of scent. It's not granny at all, but it's definitely in the floral family. If you're more of like that floral type of girl, I'm more of a gourmand type of girl, I'm not even gonna lie. But the floral family, no, but this one is really pretty. It's definitely not grandma, but and you can smell the pepper. The pepper really does something to it. But I just feel like this one is just a little too rosy for me. You definitely get that rush of rose, but it smells good, and I would definitely keep it. I want to keep this whole line just because the packaging is immaculate, and I think it would look so good in my collection, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all no more. I done smelled some, okay, y'all? Don't beat me up. I done smelled some without y'all, but I had to because I was so excited to get this line because I was like, you know. But yeah, this one is really rosy. If you like that floral but not granny, then she's your girl. The next one that we are going to test out is going to be their Roux Elixir number 2. This one, y'all, the packaging, beautiful. The packaging literally puts you in the mindset of what this one smells like. This one smells like really fancy girl type of vibes. It's sweet. I wouldn't put this in the gourmand family. So on the Victoria's Secret website, they have this one in the fruity gourmand category, but I guess you can say that. It's just something about it. It just smells really good. It smells so amazing, y'all. I'm not even stunting on y'all. This smells so good. Let me tell y'all the notes. So the notes are red currant, almond cream, and absolute decadence. You can definitely smell that cream up in there. You get that gourmand fruity, more gourmand than you do fruity. Definitely not floral, but I would give this one a 10. It smells so good. It smells like rich girl vibes. It smells like, ooh, kiss me, lick me all over, baby honey. Listen, child, you're gonna do numbers with this one because it smells so good. And last but not least, we have the Cherry Elixir. I am always down for a bomb cherry scent. Y'all already know Firecracker Pop is my scent when it comes to cherry. But y'all, they really outdid themselves with this one because it smells really good. It's like that rich, decadent cherry. You know how Firecracker Pop is more of like a childish summer type of cherry. This one gives off a little syrupy little vibe. It smells like syrup. It smells like them cherries. Like, it smells really good, but like I said, you get a lot of syrup in it too. The fragrance notes are black cherry, liquid amber, and quiet mystery. It's definitely a mystery in here because this is not your average cherry. This is bougie cherry, okay? It's, if you're thinking about cherry and you smelling cherry and then you smell this, it's two different things. This is not normal cherry. This is bougie cherry. This is the bougie sister of the cherries, okay? So you can smell the cherry all up and through it, but you seriously get a mystery with it. This is definitely a holiday scent. I would definitely wear this during the holidays, especially on Thanksgiving when you baking pies and you just smell like a pie and you just, listen. I am not disappointed with this line at all. Even the floral one smells absolutely amazing. So shout out to Victoria's Secret because they did their thing on this Decadence Elixir line. Oh yeah, and this is number 33. Them having like the numbers on there really puts you in the mindset of perfumes because perfumes usually go by numbers. Y'all already know. I would give this one a 9.5 just because of that syrupy smell. I'm not really all here for it, but it does smell really good. I would highly recommend that you guys buy this entire line. I wouldn't skip none of these fragrances because they all smell good unless you truly do not like floral, because you got that one that's just really floral but it's not granny. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you guys can know when I post. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have this line as well and which one was your favorite. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video.